on today's pack opening, we're gonna do 5 packs of the Haunted Hoops. And the other day I opened some packs and I didn't record it. And this is probably gonna be the best card out of the box, so I just wanted to show it. I got a Zach Edey rookie parallel. I was happy with that. So today I went to Walmart and I was having fun with the basketball, so I wanted to get one of those score treats with the football. 40 packs, 3 cards a pack. They're $21.89 at Walmart. I'm gonna do 5 packs of those today too, so let's open these up. I had somebody ask me if these were Oreos, so, but let's get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see what we get. We'll start with the football first. We'll put Zach Edey back here for good luck, hopefully. All right, let's see. All right. And I'm a Bengals fan, so let's see who the first Bengal we pull. Ladd McConkey. Marion Hampton. My dog's in the background. Let's see. Got Jalen Hurts. DeAndre Hopkins. All right, so that's all for the score treat. Wasn't too impressed with that. Didn't really get anything good. Probably our best card, maybe the Marion Hampton rookie. Luther Burton's a good player too. So, all right, let's move on to the basketball. We got the Haunted Hoops. I've already opened a couple of these before, but we're gonna open 5 today. Let's see what we get. A pretty good pack. Probably the best pack of all of them so far. All right, we're down to 2 packs. Haven't really got any of the big stars yet. Haven't pulled a LeBron yet. Haven't pulled a Anthony Edwards. Let's see. Here's a Bronny James rookie. That's probably one of the better cards. Definitely happy with that. Last pack. All right. I'd say the highlight of this rip was probably the Bronny James. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.